Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So today I am making the most hype Korean pickle, which is generally known as kimchi. There are so many varieties you can make. You can make with so many vegetables or selected vegetables. What's so special about this kimchi pickle is actually napa cabbage, which is known as Chinese cabbage as well. So basically napa cabbage is really very different from normal, or you can say green cabbage. Okay, so I have made a different type of kimchi, which is known as mole kimchi, means water kimchi. So let's get started. So this is napa cabbage, and this looks more like leafy lettuce. The shape of the head is not the only difference between green and napa cabbage, but the leaves of green cabbage are more thicker and almost rubbery. So now we are going to start cutting this napa cabbage. Its flavor is a little sweeter than green and red cabbage, and the leaves are far more tender. So it's a great choice if you are looking for something more mild. Out the flexibility of cabbage like this. After rinsing it 2 to 3 times, I have drained all the water, and now again I'm going to check the flexibility of this cabbage. Now we will make rice paste, and I am not adding any sugar, but in the original recipe they have used sugar as well, but I'm not using it, so don't worry at all. So now the paste is almost ready, and I am going to add a little bit of soya sauce, but in original recipe they add fish sauce, but I can't handle that kind of taste of fish in this pickle. Anyways, I have used this red chili. You can use Kashmiri lal mirch also. Sorry, Kashmiri red pepper. So it was basically my own choice to make it more liquidy. So now we are going to mix up all ingredients together. I have onions and carrot as well. You can use any vegetable you want. You can use even radish also, and even cucumber also. So I have only two choices that time. So I chose these two vegetables and napa cabbage. Our kimchi is almost half ready. We have to keep it in refrigerator for fermentation, and it will take almost 2 to 3 days, and it's totally depend on your own choice of taste. Like it could be become more tangy, or you can add sugar also if you really want to taste like sweet or sour tangy pickle or kimchi. So I decided to have this kimchi with my dinner like this. You can have kimchi with rice also, with noodles also. So now let me tell you, I didn't like this kimchi at all because of rice paste. Because we Asians, or you can say we Pakistani, actually like pickle in vinegar. So for me, big no. Anyways, you can try and do let me know in comment section. I will be waiting for your comments, your reviews about this kimchi. So till then, take care and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.